Hey guys, I am back with the do not open until June 10th UberChic Beauty Surprise plate. So let's take a look at what it is. So on May 29th, a couple of plates released and they were vacation themed. So if you did not see that reveal, I will link it on down below. Here is the June 10th release. And this one is, oh, Carnival and fair time. So like if you're going to the state fair and stuff, all of that. Oh, look at this little layered balloon animal. That's so cute. Okay, let me take the wrapping off. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is just too cute for words. That layering balloon animal thing, that is so cute for a kid's party, for going to the fair. Super adorable. And then, oh, carousel horse, Ferris wheel. I love, this is so cute. Oh, and the roller coasters. Ah, oh, this is adorable. And then layered bunting, so you can have two different colors, which is really fun. You got your tickets and all kinds of tents and just everything, all the kinds of fun that you're going to have. All the kinds of fun that you can have at the state fair and that you're going to have, whatever. All right, so let me do a couple of sample looks with this for you. Okay, so let's take a look at the two sample looks. For this one, I wanted to play with the shapes of the roller coaster, and I really love how that came out. I'm actually going to definitely do that in a mani because I think that's a lot of fun. So this is Zoya Rocky, and then I just stamped with Kaleidoscope Black for that one. And then for the second look, I wanted to play with that Ferris wheel. I think it's really elegant looking, and so I wanted to show that, you know, you don't just have to use the bright fun colors for this. So this one is, this is the Lady Varnishes Kiss Me Kill Me. So a nice little kind of purple, but a smoky purple. And then I stamped over that with Moira's Gold, which I've noticed, I've had this for a little while, it's getting a little bit older. You have to work fast with this as it starts to get older. And I also did this look with the little, the balloons and the bunting, and I love how that came out. I think that's fun. Okay, so fun plate, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.